Welcome to WebStarLess. In this video, I will show you how can you unsubscribe from everything in your Gmail account in an easy way. You can remove all subscriptions from Gmail. You may have subscribed to a few services online and they have your email address. Now you get unwanted emails daily. You can view all subscriptions in one place in Gmail and you can unsubscribe to all those services. Here is how. Open your Gmail account. From left, click More. Scroll down and at the bottom, here you see Manage Subscriptions. Click that. These are all the subscriptions that can be managed from here. You can see the service name, their email address, and the emails they sent you recently. Click Unsubscribe button to the right of the service that you don't want, and you will stop receiving messages from them. After you click Unsubscribe, confirm your decision by clicking Unsubscribe again, and that's it. It will be gone. Similarly, you can unsubscribe from other services from here as well. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.